Hey everyone, today in this video we are going to see Verizon versus Spectrum Internet, which provider is best for you, speed, price and reliability compared. Verizon Fuse is the clear winner for speed, reliability and long-term value if available at your address. Spectrum is a strong, widely available alternative, but expect low upload speed and a price hike after the promo period. Verizon 5G Home is a solid option in covered areas, especially for Verizon mobile customers seeking price stability and no hidden fees. Price and speed comparison Verizon versus Optimum. Verizon Fuse plan name Fuse 300 Mbps download or upload speed 300 Mbps or 300 Mbps. Monthly price with autopay $45.99. Price guarantee 2 years. Here is the note: free equipment, no contract or data cap. Fuse 500 Mbps plan download or upload speed 500 Mbps by 500 Mbps. Monthly price $74.99. 3 years. Price guarantee. Fuse 1 gig 940 Mbps by 880 Mbps download or upload speed. Monthly price $89.99. Price guarantee 4 years. Fuse 2 gig plan download or upload speed 2300 Mbps by 1500 Mbps. $109.99 monthly price. Price guarantee 4 years. Fuse low income or discounted plan. Download or upload speed varies. Monthly price as low as $20. Price guarantee varies. Verizon 5G Home plan name 5G Home download speed 85 to 300 Mbps. Monthly price $35. Standard price no bundle $50. Price guarantee 3 years. Here's the note: no equipment or installation fees, unlimited data. Plan 5G Home Plus download speed 300 into 1000 Mbps. Monthly price $55. Standard price $70. Price guarantee 4 years. Note: no equipment, installation fees, unlimited data. Spectrum speed and price. Provider Spectrum plan name Internet Advantage. Download speed up to 100 Mbps. Upload speed not available. Standard price no bundle $30 per month. Price guarantee 12-month. Equipment fees $10 per month. Provider Spectrum plan name Internet Premier up to 500 Mbps. Upload speed up to 20 Mbps. Standard price $50 per month. Price guarantee 12-month. Equipment fee $10 per month. Spectrum Internet Gig plan name download speed up to 1000 Mbps, upload speed up to 35 Mbps, standard price $70 per month, price guarantee 12 month and equipment fees included. Spectrum offers lower first-year pricing but rates raised by $30 per month after the promo period. Verizon Fios has no promo pricing or price hikes. What you say is what you pay for the duration of your price guarantee. Verizon 5G Home is the cheapest for Verizon mobile customers and includes all equipment and fees. Reliability and customer satisfaction. Verizon Fuse top rated for reliability, consistent speed and customer satisfaction thanks to its fiber network. Spectrum reliable for cable but can't match fiber's consistency or upload speed. Customer satisfaction is good but generally lower than Fuse. Verizon 5G Home reliable in strong coverage areas but speed can fluctuate more than cable or fiber. Data caps and contracts. All plans from both providers have unlimited data and no annual contract or early termination fees. Verizon Fuse and 5G Home include equipment and installation in most cases. Spectrum include a modem but charges $10 per month for router rental unless you use your own. Availability. Verizon Fios limited to the Northeast and select urban market. Verizon 5G Home available in the select urban or suburban areas with a strong 5G coverage. Spectrum available in 41 states, including many rural and suburban areas, much broader coverage overall. What should you choose? Choose Verizon Fuse if you want the fastest, most reliable, and symmetrical fiber speed, stable long term pricing, and top customer satisfaction, especially if you upload large files, stream, or game heavily, and live in a Fuse area. Choose Verizon 5G Home if you want contract free, affordable, high speed internet with a multi air price lock and already have Verizon Mobile and you live in a 5G coverage area. Choose Spectrum if you want fastest cable internet, need broader availability, or are looking for a simple no contract plan and don't mind a pricing increase after the first year. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.